Turmeric, the bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, is not only a delicious addition to your culinary repertoire but also boasts numerous health benefits. Derived from the Curcuma Longa plant, turmeric has been widely studied for its therapeutic properties and has long been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. One of the major health benefits of turmeric is its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, has been found to have a similar effect to nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, but without the potential side effects. Chronic inflammation is often associated with various diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis, and adding turmeric to your diet may help reduce inflammation and potentially alleviate some of the symptoms associated with these conditions. Turmeric has also been recognized for its potential to support brain health. Studies have shown that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, allowing it to enter the brain and bind to beta-amyloid plaques, which are believed to be one of the main causes of Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, curcumin has been shown to boost the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth and survival of brain cells, potentially improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Furthermore, turmeric is believed to have powerful antioxidant properties, which can help protect the body against oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress is known to contribute to the development of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you can increase your antioxidant intake and potentially reduce the risk of these conditions. Besides its anti-inflammatory, brain-boosting, and antioxidant properties, turmeric has also been linked to several other health benefits. It may help improve digestion by stimulating the production of bile, which aids in the breakdown of fats. Turmeric has also been shown to promote wound healing and alleviate skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporating turmeric into your daily diet can be as simple as adding it to curries, soups, stews, smoothies, or even brewing turmeric tea. However, it's important to note that the bioavailability of curcumin is low. To enhance its absorption, consuming turmeric with black pepper or fat-rich foods is recommended. As with any dietary change, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant adjustments to your diet. In conclusion, turmeric is not only a flavorful spice but also a powerful health ally. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine may help reduce inflammation, support brain health, protect against oxidative stress, and offer numerous other health benefits. So why not give this golden spice a try and enjoy its many potential advantages for your overall well-being? Summary of turmeric health benefits. Powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases like heart disease, cancer, and metabolic syndrome. Curcumin in turmeric helps combat inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of these conditions. Rich in antioxidants, turmeric is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your body from free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to aging and various diseases. Improve brain function. Curcumin has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone that helps support brain function and may reduce the risk of brain diseases. Lower the risk of heart disease. Turmeric may improve the lining of blood vessels, regulate blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease by improving heart health. Help in arthritis management. Studies suggest that turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis by reducing joint pain and swelling. May aid in digestion. Turmeric can stimulate bile production in the liver, which aids in the breakdown of fats and improves digestion. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Some research indicates that curcumin may help prevent and possibly treat certain types of cancer due to its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. May improve skin health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may benefit skin health by reducing acne, eczema, and other skin conditions.